Good day everyone. So for today, let me teach you on how to convert photos into PDF using your Android device or your Android phone. So by the way, in order for you to do that, you need to install one application and the name of that application is Cam Scanner. So you can download it into Google Play Store. Just search Cam Scanner. And then once you already have it, just simply click it. And then after that, kindly click once you open your cam scanner, just simply click the camera icon on the right side down part. Just click it, and then after that you need to choose or import image. Let's say for example, these are all the photos that you want, 1 2 3, then import. And then once you import those image or photos that you want to convert into PDF, you can edit it after. So for example, as you can see here, the orientation is in landscape. So you can edit that and convert it into portrait format. So in order to do that, you simply click the photo itself, and then click crop. After that, kindly choose the orientation that you want, let's say like that. And as you can see, this is the real image, or this is the real photo of the picture. However, because of the cam scanner, it was enhanced to something like this, like a magic. Okay, as you can see, it was all good. Then click check, and then let's edit the other photos. Crop once again, and then change the orientation, and then click next. Then it was all automatically enhanced by cam scanner. Then click check. And then lastly, the last item or the last photo, click crop, and then change the orientation, and then click next. Okay, so click check. Now go back, kindly go back here. And now we already fixed the orientation, and as well as it was already enhanced by cam scanner. You can now download it as PDF. In order to download it as PDF, as you can see here on the below portion or down portion of this cam scanner, there is an icon saying share. So just simply click share, and then you have option here, share PDF, share Word. By the way, share Word as in a premium account, so you can share PDF. So click share PDF, and then let's say for example you have different social media account, or you have PDF opener, you can share it to that application. Okay, so let's say for example I am going to open this PDF via Google Docs, or you can send it as well in your chat messages, so that after you send it to someone, you can download that as PDF, and then you already have it as PDF. So let's say for example I have here my Google Docs. It is one of my application to open PDF. Okay, so as you can see, it is now already in PDF form. By the way, I am not using a premium account. That is why there is a cam scanner logo below, but you can remove it by buying their premium account. So that's it for today. So I hope you like this video. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe in my YouTube channel.